Hello. Hey fam, welcome back to Gracefully EUT. Welcome back to my channel. To all my returning subscribers, thank you. On this very video, we'll be making baked beans with veggies. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. And if you are coming across my video on my channel for the first time and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Let's get straight into the video. Here are the ingredients: carrots, green peas, spring onion, and sweet corn. I also have onion, bell pepper, tomatoes, and scotch bonnet. I have vegetable oil, seasoning cube, thyme, curry, and all these ingredients will be listed on the description box down below. So I'll start ahead adding my vegetable oil. After heating up a little bit, I'll be adding my whole diced onions. If you've been watching my cooking videos, you will know that I love slicing my onions, in a bigger size because I love to see my onions in my food. So I'll be adding my tomatoes, my scotch bonnet, and I will be giving a good stir to mix together and to combine. And then I will be going in with my spices: ginger, thyme, curry, and I'll give that a proper stir. Adding my seasoning cube, and I will let that simmer for like 5 minutes, and then I will be back to add the rest ingredients. After 5 minutes, I'm adding my baked beans, giving a proper stir, and then I will be adding my prawns and along with my other veggies. You can choose to minimize the kind of veggie you want, or you can choose the kind of veggie you want. It depends on your choice. So I'll give that a proper stir, and I will be adding just a little pinch of salt. I will be adding a pinch of salt for taste, and then adding a glass of water, a cup of water, just for it to properly cook. And this will be for another 5 minutes. You don't want to overcook it because of the extra veggies you added to the beans. So I'll let this cook for 5 minutes, and then we will be back. As you can see, our baked beans veggies is ready to be served, and I will be serving this with some fried ripe plantain. This tastes so delicious. This tastes so delicious. I want you to give it a try and testify. So if you try out this video or this recipe, and let me know what you think about the video. Don't forget, stay blessed and stay safe until next video. Bye.